Play. If x square plus x plus 1 equals 0, find the value of x to the power 2025. Let x square plus x plus 1 equals 0. Multiplying both sides by x cube x square x equal 0. X cube minus 1. Therefore, x square plus x plus 1 equals 0. Since x square plus x equal minus 1. Implies that x cube equal 1. Now, x to the power 2025 equal x 3 times 675. X cube whole to the power 675 x cube equal 1 to the power 675. That means 1. Okay.